Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming that your AirPods case is Magsafe compatible. This matters because magnets align charging coils for efficient power transfer. Once done, place a Magsafe puck on a flat, stable surface and plug it into a USB-C power adapter that provides adequate current. Make sure to clear debris from the case hinge and back. Small particles block contact. Then, gently set the case on the charger, and let the magnets. Once the case is seated, check the LED to see if charging started because the light gives immediate feedback. If you have an iPhone, open the case lid near the phone to display the exact battery percentages for case and each bud, which tells you if both are receiving power. Make sure the LED shows a steady amber while charging or green when full. If the indicator blinks or shows nothing, reposition the case and confirm the adapter is supplying power. You finish by waiting until the LED turns green or your phone shows 100%. Then remove the case and let it sit for 5–10 minutes if it feels warm, because cooling protects battery health. If charging failed, make sure the Magsafe adapter and cable work with another device and remove any thick protective case that blocks magnetic alignment. If problems persist, reset the AirPods by holding the setup button for about 15 seconds and then repair with your device to clear firmware hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.